Yes, now we are here for the next session of our English grammar. That is, just now we have over statements to exclamatory sentences, and now we are going to learn about affirmative into negative. What is affirmative? That is also just like statement. We say something. See, it is he is a poor man. That is a statement as well as affirmative. Okay. So that is affirmative. And how can you change that into negative? Negative means what is that negative? Just opposite of it. Okay. He is a poor man. How will you change that into negative? Okay. You all will say that he is not a poor man. When you use not there, it will definitely it will change into negative. Okay. So that is one thing. And another way I am going to teach you how will you able to make affirmative sentences into negative. Okay. See next one. It is a difficult task. It is a difficult task. That is an affirmative sentence or a statement. Okay, how will you make that sentence into a negative? See, you can use it is not a difficult task. Okay, but another way we are going to see that. And here, one more thing I have to teach. The first sentence. See, he is a poor man, and you use that he is not a poor man, and you can change that poor, the opposite of poor. What's the opposite of poor? Rich. So, he is a poor man, that you can change that into he is not a rich man. He is not a rich man. That means he is a poor man. But in another way you can say he is a poor man, he is not a poor man. Okay. But another way you can say he is not a rich man. Like that here. It is a difficult task. You can say that it is not a difficult task. And another way you can use that. Use the opposite of this difficult. What's the opposite of difficult? Easy. So, it is not an easy task. Why do you use here an? Because easy begins with the vowel E. Okay. So, this is the affirmative. It is a difficult task. Okay. So, you can use that. It is not an easy task. So, we will go to the third sentence, third example. I love my mom and dad. I love my parents. Okay, so what's the opposite of love? What's the opposite of love? Hate. So, you can say that I do not hate my mom and dad. Okay, see, I do not hate my mom and dad. So you have to use here the opposite of love. That is, then it will become a negative. I love my mom and dad. You can use the opposite of love, that is hate. I do not hate my mom and dad. Okay. Next one, the fourth one. I like mangoes. Do you all like mangoes? Yes, everybody like mangoes. I like mangoes. What's the opposite of like? What's the opposite of like? This hate. I do not hate mangoes. Just don't say, some children will say, I like mangoes, I will not like mangoes. No, here you have to use the opposite only. Here, he is a poor man, he is not a poor man. That is correct. But here I like mangoes. Don't say that I will not like. That is future tense. That is not correct. Here you have to use the exact opposite word of like. I like mangoes. You have to use the opposite of like. That is I do not hate mangoes. I don't hate mangoes. Okay. Now here, the last example. He lived only on fruits. He lived only on fruits. So here only is there. Only. So when only comes, you have to use nothing but. When only comes, you have to use nothing but. Okay, so I will change that sentence. He lived nothing but fruits. He lived nothing but fruits. So when only comes, you have to use nothing but. Keep it in your mind. And in this negative, affirmative into negative, you can use some other words like none, never. All these things you can use. Okay, I do not tell lies. So we can use that I never tell lies. Okay, so these are the sentences, and here in the worksheet also you have some page number 14. 9 examples are there, 9 worksheet sentences are there. You have to change that affirmative into negative. That is your worksheet for you. And the first sentence, I may do it for you. He is against dishonesty. He is against dishonesty. What is dishonesty? Honesty, the opposite of honesty. That is dishonesty. So, how will you change that? He is not dishonest. He is not dishonest. He is against dishonesty. So, he is not dishonest. Now, the second sentence. Mary is often kind. Mary is often kind. So, you have to use the opposite of often. Often means always. You have to use the opposite of often. You can either use Mary is always kind. Otherwise, you can use Mary is seldom. Seldom. Opposite of often means opposite of often. Seldom. So opposite of often is seldom. So there are 9 sentences in this page number 14 worksheet. You have to do that. Okay.